How does language semantic change happen? Have you ever wondered how the meanings of words can change over time? This process is known as semantic change, and it is fascinating to see how language evolves. Semantic change happens when the meaning of a word shifts, either by expanding, narrowing, or altering its original sense. This transformation occurs naturally as people adapt language to new contexts, social changes, or cultural influences. Let's break down the different types of semantic change. First, we have broadening, also known as generalization. This is when a word's meaning becomes more inclusive. For example, the word holiday used to refer specifically to a religious festival, but now it can mean any vacation or day off. Next is narrowing or specialization. This is when a word's meaning becomes more specific. Take the word meat, for instance. It originally meant any kind of food, but now it specifically refers to animal flesh. Then we have amelioration, which is when a word takes on a more positive meaning over time. The word eager used to mean angry or sharp, but it has evolved to mean enthusiastic. On the flip side, we have pejoration. This is when a word acquires a more negative meaning. For example, silly once meant happy or fortunate, but now it means foolish. Another interesting aspect is how metaphor and metonymy contribute to semantic change. Words can gain new meanings through figurative use. For example, mouse originally referred only to the animal but now also means a computer device, extending its meaning metaphorically. Semantic changes often coexist with original meanings for a while. This gradual shift happens as different groups of speakers adopt the new sense at different rates. Over time, one meaning may become dominant. From a word origins perspective, semantic change shows how words evolve beyond their original definitions. This evolution reflects cultural shifts and technological advances. For example, the term bookmark once meant a physical placeholder in a book but now also refers to saving a web address online. Understanding semantic change can clarify why some words have multiple meanings or why older texts might use words differently than we do today. For instance, in the sentence, "The hound chased the deer," the word hound originally meant any dog. In a more modern context, the bloodhound is trained for tracking. The term hound has narrowed to mean a specific type of hunting dog. Overall, semantic change is a natural part of how language evolves. It is driven by social interaction, metaphorical thinking, and the need to describe new experiences. This process enriches language, allowing words to adapt and remains relevant over time.